Hey you, welcome back to my channel. It's AG Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I got this lightweight 90s makeup look. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm going straight in with my eyebrow and I'm brushing out my very scanty LOLs, my very scanty brows, and I'm going under my brows with this concealer. I am going in with little amount of concealer, so I'm just going to apply that under my eyes and I blend it in, and I'll do the same thing on the top. Apply concealer that is closest to my skin tone and I'm blending it in. The reason why I am blending in is because it helps me with the whole blending process, and it just helps me know if I don't need any more concealer. So after that, I went in on all the dark areas of my face and I applied concealer on them and I blended them straight in. I applied some concealer on my nose. I'm blending that in too, just like that. I'm going to apply some under my eyes. I'm applying this under my eyes to help with a more flawless look. So I'm just going over and under my eyes, just like that. So I am also blending it as I'm applying. I went under my cheekbones and applied concealer there too. So I'm going on the sides of my nose and I'm going to apply a darker shade to my sideburns. So after doing all this, I took my blending brush and I blended it all together. So I'm applying setting spray on my face because I wasn't going to apply any foundation and I wanted it to look as flawless as it could look. So now I'm going in with my setting powder and I'm going to set my face. I'm applying this all over the places I highlighted earlier on, and I'm just going to blend it all in. So don't mind this funny face, sometimes I get like this, I'm that goofy. Anyways, you grab your mascara and we're going to apply some on our lashes. I did not want any lashes for this look. I just wanted it to be as natural as it could get because in the 90s, I don't think they had lashes. Yeah. So I wanted it to look more natural. Going under my eyes and over my eyes. Yo, look how my eyes are popping. If you know of any way I can grow them, please hit me up because I have been trying to grow my lashes for decades and I haven't. Like when I see my brothers with their long lashes and I look at mine, I'll be like, why? Like, why does it have to be me? Anyways, this is how I am looking at. Yeah, very, very, very beautiful. I'm kind of fine. Sorry, I'm very fine. Not kind of. I'm very fine. Anyways, you grab your eyebrow pencil or whatever lip liner you love and you're going to outline your lip. So I'm going under my lips and I'm going to go over my lips. So I'm not really pressing the eyebrow pencil or whatever you're using, I'm trying to just create the illusion of an outlined lip, but I wasn't really outlining it, if you get me, because I don't really know how to explain that. So I applied my pink lipstick, and I didn't want it to be too pink because it was looking too pink, so I went in with some concealer. I concealed the side of my lip, yeah, just like that, and I blended it in, and I did this the other side too, and I blended it all in just like that. So after doing this, I applied this orange concealer. So it's actually an orange, what do they call this, correcting concealer, but I applied it all over my lip, and that was where the lip just transformed. And I love how it came out though. I really love how it came out, and yeah, you can see me blend it in, and just like that. So I'm just using this brush to correct the sides that I over outlined. And I went in again with my eyebrow pencil to outline the lines. Yeah, so I'm just outlining it the same way I did earlier on, just like that. So after I have outlined my lip, I went in with this brush and I blended it all in because I didn't want the harsh lines to show. And I applied my lip gloss on my lips, just like that. And you mix, and after that I took my setting spray and I set my face again with the spray, and you let it dry on your face, and we'll be back. So this is how it's looking after I got all dolled up and all that shit. So yeah, if you love this look, leave a comment in the comment section. If you want to see more content like this, or even if you have a video or something you want to request, you can request for a video. You can hit me up on Instagram. And yeah, bye.